Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact model, year, and immobilizer system so you pick the correct blank and transponder. Once done, collect the OEM-style key blank, compatible transponder chip, and any necessary programming tools like an OBD adapter or diagnostic app. Make sure you have the car's original key or proof of ownership on hand. Many systems require it. This prevents wasted purchases and avoids triggering anti-theft locks when you begin cutting and programming. You cut the key blade to the correct code or duplicate the original accuracy matters to avoid door or ignition damage. Next, seat the transponder in the head and secure it. A small dab of epoxy prevents movement that breaks programming. Then plug your OBD programmer or use the manufacturer app to enter programming mode. Follow prompts to write the transponder ID and sync the remote functions. During programming, keep vehicle battery healthy and doors closed so signals remain stable. You finish by testing every function: remote lock/unlock, trunk release, immobilizer start recognition, and valet mode. If the remote fails, first replace the coin battery and rerun programming. If that fails, verify antenna/read coil on the vehicle and reflash the module if available. Make sure the transponder ID saved matches your records. Once confirmed, trim and finish the keyhead. A key troubleshooting tip: if programming repeatedly fails, check vehicle battery voltage and clear any active immobilizer faults before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.